Hi, my name's Desiree, and I'm here with Cody Milholland from Seven Lakes Realty. We have a home to show you today. This home is 1,396 square feet. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths and a loft. It has a new central unit and ductwork, as well as a new water heater. It sits on 3/4 of an acre, and it's located at 7180 Highway 22A in Lexington, Tennessee, not far from the new bypass, making for an easy drive to town, Jackson, or Chester County. It's listed at $115,000. It would be great for a first-time home buyer or someone looking to downsize. Let's check out the inside. As we enter the home, we find ourselves in the foyer. Straight ahead is the formal dining room, and to our left is the living room. Here you can enjoy time with friends and family. You'll notice there's no sheetrock. These wood walls are resistant to damage, and this was done on purpose. You'll also notice this gas heater, which means in the winter, when it's cold outside and the power goes out, you'll still have heat. These stairs lead up to a loft, which we'll check out later. This access door opens to the water heater. Now that you've seen the living room, let's check out the first bedroom. This room would most likely be considered the master bedroom, with an attached full bathroom. If you like a rustic look, check out the ceilings. This room was considered the formal dining room before the add-on, but you could use it as a walk-in closet or a place to store children's toys. Now let's go back through the living room and check out the kitchen. This large kitchen has a pantry closet for extra storage. Also, it has appliances and a brand new fridge. This second bedroom also has the rustic metal ceilings and an attached full bathroom. Now that you've seen both bedrooms and the living area, let's check out the loft. This cozy loft could serve as an additional sleeping area or a game room. Children would love this space. To schedule a viewing or for more information, call Cody or his office at the numbers on your screen. If you're watching on YouTube, click the video to see why Tennessee is a great place to live.